This chicken is so delicious that I cook it almost every day. For this recipe, we will need 3 chicken breasts. Let's cut several slashes in this chicken this way. Oh, and tell me in the comments where you're watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes. Next, season the chicken with salt and black pepper to taste. Now coat the chicken in flour. To continue, in a frying pan, add 3 tablespoons of butter and melt it. After that, add the chicken. And when one side is done, flip it over to fry the other. And if you're still watching this video, you're loving our recipe. So like the video and write in the comments, I love chicken. Now, add another tablespoon of butter, 3 minced garlic cloves, and fry until golden brown. Also add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and finally, fine herbs to taste. You guys, this chicken is very easy to make and super delicious. I'm sure everyone in your family will like the result. Be sure to make this recipe at home and come back to tell me how it turned out. We'd love to know. And our recipe is ready. Now you can just enjoy it. If you'd like, you can add a little more honey on top before serving. It will give a delicious flavor to your recipe. I really hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.